I'm going to show you how to remove starch from potatoes for preparation of French fries. Let's quickly move into the kitchen and see how this is being done step by step. Nicely washed here. I washed and cleaned them thoroughly. Now the first step is peeling the skin out. And next is the cutting stage. And next is we have to take it for washing with taking a water in a bowl to remove the starch at the initial stage. Thoroughly wash it inside the water. You can observe the amount of starch which is present in the water now. I have poured the water with the starch which has come out from the potatoes and taken fresh water now in the bowl. Potatoes will be cut in the necessary shape like this, to whatever thickness you need. I'll be bringing the bowl with water and then transferring this. Now thoroughly mix it, potato slice, and wash it again into the water. You can observe each time you wash the potatoes, the amount of starch which is coming out from the slices. I have on the 8000 and I've kept a container of water. Let us allow this water to get boiled nicely. Now I'm going to transfer this washed potato slices into the boiling water. Simmer the gas down now and place a lid on it. Now I am going to off the gas now and I shall show you how these pieces are cooked and ready. They should be in a parboil stage so that they can be completely cooked when they are getting fried. Transfer this into a plate in which I have spread the tissues. Now this is the third stage in which we have removed the starch from the potatoes. Now we are going to wipe the potatoes thoroughly